Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to teach you how to perform a denial of service attack on a wireless access point. First of all, let's understand what is a denial of service attack. It is an attack meant to shut down a system or server by denying users to access a service or website. So I will switch to my Kali machine and put my wireless card into monitor mode using the following command: airmon ng star wlan 0. Now I want to scan all the access points in range using aerodump ng wlan 0 mon. To stop the scanning, use Ctrl+C and then select your network. Mine is Skynet. So I'm going to need the MAC address of the access point and the channel. Then type aerodump ng channel 6 and the BSS ID of the router. This will show you the clients that are connected to the access point. Now I will perform the actual attack with airplay ng-0 and the number of packets and -a and then the MAC address of the access point. Now press enter. This attack will disconnect everyone from the network. So I will switch to my Windows machine, and as you can see in my taskbar shows that I am connected, and you can see now that I have lost my connection. If you want to have a little more fun, you could create fake routers that basically floods your options when you search for a network to connect. First, I'm going to flood my local area with random fake wireless routers. So I'm going to use MDK WLAN 0 mon B, which is a beacon flood, and use channel 5 by -C and press enter. And if you look, it's flooding with these fake names right here. Now to show that it's working, I'm going to click on my wireless taskbar, and you can see it's showing these random wireless networks. You can also change the names for the routers by using a simple file with some names. So after the -C type -f, which means the computer is going to use a file to generate these names instead of random characters. So I'm going to drag and drop the file in here and press enter. Now again, I'm gonna go to my taskbar and show you that it's working. But if someone tries to connect to these networks, it's not going to work, because the purpose of this is just to flood your options. So that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.